Ah, it's so hot. You got anything in there I can drink? Thanks, Toe Jammer. You're the best. What do you got in there? Wow, you're really devoted. But Toe Jammer, this is a nut, a coconut. Well, yes, that is true. Technically, a coconut is a nut, seed, and a fruit. But this is still food, not a drink. Ah, I see. So that we can get the coconut water out of the coconut. Ah, but there's just one more problem. It's a really tiny coconut. Well, you have a fair point. Now all we need to do is try to get the water out of this coconut. Let's go figure out a way. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be making the punch drink from My Singing Monsters. Here's what you will need. Dark brown clay, white clay, red clay, orange clay, and gold or tan clay. Let's get started. First, take a little chunk of your brown clay off and fold it into a ball. Once you have that flattened out, take a piece of your white clay and do the same thing. Then, take some of your orange and some of your red and mix them together. And put your white on top of your brown. Then, take your red and kind of form it into a little bowl shape, and then kind of put it in the center like that. Then wrap this around a little so that it looks like this. It should look kind of like a coconut. Then, for all of the edges, make them jagged. So, it should look like that. Then, if it's still a little empty, you can take some more of those colors and put them in like that. Then take some of your gold or your tan and make it into a ball. Then flatten out that ball really flat, but not too flat to where it falls apart. So it should look like that. Then take one of your toothpicks and then a little more of your brown and wrap it around the toothpick so that it kind of looks like a darker toothpick. Then take your gold piece and make a little hole in it with a different toothpick. And then put your brown toothpick through the hole so that it'll look like that. You can use your toothpick to give it a little more texture to make it kind of look like a straw umbrella. Then put it right in the corner, like that. Then take a little bit of your orange, a little bit of gold, and a little bit of white and mix them together to make sort of this kind of golden yellow shape. Then spread some of it out to make it kind of look like a star, and the other out to make it look like a circle. Put the circle on, then put the star on top of the circle like that. Then, for the final touch, take a little bit of your red, then form it into kind of like a ball, and then put it right there. And now it's done. Then bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then you can have a cute little bowl to play with all day. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!